Well, good morning, everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic, driving down an old back road here. Today is the day. I'm very excited to check in for the first annual Swarm in the Ozarks. That's right, back in the Ozarks of Missouri. So I'll be uploading this video with some Nomad internet, and there's a link below in the video description if you need some mobile unlimited internet. Let me get up here, make my turn, and then we'll get all checked in. There's Robert, old Bussy. Here's our sign, Skoolie Swarm. Well, this should be the place. Fan-freaking-tastic. I'm very excited for some downtime, but also to meet some new people. So we'll get this figured out, y'all. We did get quite a bit of rain last night, but it looks like the grass has dried out. Everything looks safe enough. Awesome. How you doing, Jax man? So Jax has a sore throat. He's not gonna meow right now, but he has a really raspy meow right now. And just keeping a close eye on him here to see what happens. We're parked here at Swarm in the Ozarks. There's some familiar people out here. And ironically, well, you can see right there. Actually, we'll go outside. We're gonna have some rain rolling in here in just a moment here. But and you got Robert from King's Auto Shop here. And this is night one. You got Dana and Steve, full tiny house over there. And Dan and Carolyn from RB Rebel Girl. I got Tater Tot set up here. And just grilling some burgers here before the rain sets in. So this is my setup. Oh yeah, those are just about done. I gotta cut this video off, but I got my new banner set up here, which features both Jax and Tara and Tater Tot. Little vinyl banner there that I can take on and off. But yeah, I think we're gonna get some rain here. Lots to share from this place. I'll probably make 2 or 3 videos. This is an 8-day event here. The first annual Swarm in the Ozarks. You may remember the Skoolie Swarm that happens in February down in Florida. There was also one in the Upper Michigan Peninsula that Full Tiny House and all them went to. This is the first ever in the Ozarks, and we're getting rain on night one. Yeah.
Ollie?
It's gonna rain!
Thanks, Ollie.
All right, everyone. Day 2 out here, no rain today. Today, literally 0% chance. So I'm running Miranda here, 100% off solar. Got all my fans on, and she's keeping up really good here in the daytime. We are getting ready to have some fun tonight. Gonna be setting up my projector and to watch movies out here in this communal area. Robert's bus there, probably gonna provide the power since I'm doing a whole solar thing and not doing a generator. Also, our neighbors here in the green bus won't be having that generator running all the time. Want to go peek around. It's not really kosher to go do tours all the time, so you gotta be picky about that, because pretty much everybody is living in their Skoolie out here. Okay, they're not just vacationing, and they didn't just bring it to a show. So let's get in the car and we'll discreetly look at a few. First of all, how about Cowie Queen? I love that green paint. Pretty cool. They got solar on the roof. They got a Nobo nest up there, and a couple that has motorcycles traveling with them. Let's say, yeah, let's go hop in Tater Tot, and we will drive through here and look at a few. Like I said, this event is it's called Skoolie Swarm, but it's not just Skoolies. Although here we have a shuttle bus, and then we have a nice little shorty bus there. Sorry for the sun right in our way there. I like this green one here with the trees on there like that. Hey guys, love the RV. That's awesome. And then a blue one here with some storage. Hey bud. That's cool. Another one over there. Ooh, there's a purple bus over there, like an MCI bus. Looks like they're selling some stuff. A lot of people put their Instagram logos and stuff, like this little blue one. I can't quite read it. Oh, I like this Bluebird though. A little air conditioner sticking out of the window. And they got a hot water heater right there. solar across the way, a purple one. Hey there. Look at all the buses, guys. Ooh, there's one over there that has mountain pictures on it. A little 5-window white one there. That's cool. I like this gray colored one right here too. There's actually a yellow bus back there. And this one looks like another transit style bus, but I like the windows. We are supposed to have a bonfire tonight. They brought out, looks like 4 or 5 pianos and organs to burn. Okay. I love this army green Chevy here. It says it's called Chug-a-Lug. And I think they're selling some tie-dye. I might go check that out later. I don't think they're out right now. All right, this big purple MCI bus is called Pollination Station Art Bus. Oh, okay. Hey guys. That's cool. Might check that one out later. Cool bus though. This is the one I really wanted to see up close. It's an old Chevy. It's called the Covered Wagon. Have you guys ever seen a bus with a slide out? That's right. It's got the covered wagon canvas on top there to chill out with some air conditioning and everything. And let's get a little closer so you can see the color. How cool is that color? Very, very custom in here. And then on the back, there's even a wheelchair lift to get you up to the roof. I mean, he thought of everything with this build. It's really cool. I mean, pretty much whatever you can dream of, you can create it, I guess, out here. Pretty unique. So there you go. If I get any invites to do some interior tours, I will definitely share those with you later. But I'm going to be hanging out with people and getting to know a bunch of new friends, learning more about the Skoolie life. Look at this, guys. There's mini horses. Little tiny mini-me's horses. Skoolie swarm. Oh, is that pretty good grass then? Is that pretty good then? Yeah? That's good. All right. Oh, you're soft. Wow. So cute. Oh, thank you. I have seen some crazy pets traveling in my day. There's Kevin the pig. There's, I forgot what goat's name is, but somebody travels with a goat. And you can bring your horse with you on the road. Yeah, little mini horse. Who doesn't need a mini horse? Well, it's day 3. We had some fun here at our little base camp section over here. I had a bunch of people over to watch Bohemian Rhapsody, and then DJ Robert, we did music, and it was pretty cool. You know, it didn't keep it up too late, but once we brought out the margaritas, that's when things started getting a little crazy around here. I realized that I haven't been filming a whole bunch of this. Like I said, this is now day 3, and I'm just still making one video, I guess. Sorry about that, guys, but you know, this is me getting to know a lot of people. I've met a lot of new friends out here. The Skoolie community is awesome. I got my Skoolie Swarm shirt for the event, and they also have stickers, and people are selling little trinkets like some woodworking, some tie-dye stuff, and just a bunch of cool stuff, not to mention all the cool rigs you're gonna see. So, oh, and we did adults versus kids dodgeball today. Man, I haven't played dodgeball in so long. Again, I didn't take pictures. Somebody's probably got video and pictures, but I was part of the team, you know, kicking and running and baking in the sun. I think I got burnt. So, but lots and lots of fun. Now we're doing a potluck dinner at 6 p.m. I'll show you what I'm doing. Yeah, so not doing my pulled pork this time. We've got Italian sausage, chicken, and Alfredo in there right now. In about 30 minutes, I'm gonna dice up the bacon and add the bacon to it. Also gonna boil up some pasta for it, and it'll be like a, I don't really know what you call it. It's like a stroganoff, basically, but it's like a meat stroganoff, and I don't like sour cream or cottage cheese or mayonnaise or any of that, so it's just strictly Alfredo sauce. And I really don't know what you call it, but it's good. I've done it before. So yeah, and we haven't picked tonight's movie yet, but we're gonna think about that once we get the whole crew out here and get some people to vote. I really like this setup though. It's been really nice. All right. Yeah, that came out nice. See all the bacon, and oh, I wish you could smell it. Let's see what everybody thinks. All right, we're in business here. Starting to plate up. I got a little bit of everything. Lots of starchy stuff. Oh yeah. You can probably see I do have the slide out. Not sure if I mentioned that, but this broken slide is out right now. Robert's gonna be able to get it, help me get it back in later. And kitties are enjoying all the extra room. Hey there, Terra Bear. Hey, big pterodactyl. You chilling under the air conditioning vent? And then we got Jack's man. Him's chillins too in his spot. All right, man, my kitties are enjoying this. All right. As for me, I am going to take a nice, I was going to say cold shower, a room temperature shower. That's when I don't use the water heater and I just use whatever water's in the tank because it's naturally warm outside. Yep. Have a good one. Jack's Terra and I will see you in the next video from Skoolie's Swarm. Bye-bye.